In this video, you will learn how to make your Godaddy website searchable on Google. To make your Godaddy website searchable on Google, you need to ensure a few steps. Follow these steps. Make sure your website is searchable on Google. Optimizing your website SEO. SEO is a crucial step in making your website more likely to appear in Google search results. Here are a few ways to optimize your site. Title tags and meta descriptions. Ensure each page has a unique title tag and meta description. This helps Google search understand what each page is about. Go to the Godaddy website builder, then go to page settings. Under custom title tags and meta descriptions for each page. Use keywords. Research relevant keywords for your businesses and topics. Naturally incorporate them into your content, headliners and descriptions. This can help Google rank your domain higher than others. Also, make sure your website is friendly for mobile users. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in the search rankings. Also, check that your website loads quite quickly. Google favors websites that load fast, compress images and optimize code. Ensure fast hosting plans. You use internal links. Google pushes your Godaddy website higher up in the search results. Using backlinks or promoting your site also encourages traffic and helps Google understand what your website is about. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.